Hello children, today we are going to see how to do addition with the help of addition strip board. So on your screen you are able to see the addition strip board, and let me just show you. Here on the board you can count from 1 to 18. You can see the numbers are there and boxes are there. You can also find there are blue strips and red color wooden strips. Look carefully, numbers are written on it, 1 to 9 here and also 1 to 9 here. So we are going to use these two colored strips and do the additions. Now to do additions, what you need is few sums. So on this notebook, few sums are already given. You can see the notebook, few sums are given, right? 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 5. Now let us see. We are going to do 2 plus 1 first. So for that we will take the strip of 2, you can see, and put it here, the first two boxes, and you have to add 1 with it. So 1 we will take it from here, red. So now can you see the result? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So what you have to do is, then you have to write the result. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. I have written. Now we are going to see 2 plus 2. Okay, so how we will do? For this, 2 is already there, so we'll take out 1, put it back, and we will bring 2. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, the result is 4. So we have to write 4. You can see I have written 4 because we are counting here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next one is 2 plus 3. So we will take out 2 and keep it, and we'll take 3. 2 is already there. We have to add 3. So once you add 3, after that you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So take your notebook and then write 5. Next is 2 plus 4. So we will put back 3 and take 4 and put it here. So after that we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Next we are going to do 2 plus 5. So we'll put back 4 and take 5. After putting it here, we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. We are going to write 7. So we have done few additions. Now let us again put back. Okay, now we will do some more additions with other numbers. So 7 plus 5. So we'll take the 7 from the blue strip, take 7 and then plus 5. We'll take 5 from here, put it here. Now let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 is 1, 10 and 2. 12. Next we are going to do 4 plus 8. So let us put back this. Next sum is 4. So let us take 4 plus 8. We'll take 8 from here. So after that we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Can you see? 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. This is something interesting. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 4 plus 8 is equal to also 12. Okay, again put back. Every time remember to put back. Okay, next is 5 plus 5. So 5 from here, 5 plus 5, we'll take 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So what we are counting, that is the result, 10. We are writing it here. So we have done all the sums of addition. Like this, you can do all the sums.
Authentic wooden learning toys.